Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Take out the Fire TV Stick and the included USB power cable. Next, locate the power adapter that came with the device. Plug the USB power cable into the Fire TV Stick. Insert the other end of the USB power cable into the power adapter. Now, connect the power adapter to a wall outlet. If you have an HDMI-compatible TV, find an available HDMI port. Insert the Fire TV Stick into the selected HDMI port. Make sure to remember which HDMI port you used for later. Switch your TV on and select the correct HDMI input. Once the Fire TV Stick powers up, you'll see a welcome screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the setup process. Choose your preferred language from the list. Next, connect to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Wait for the device to connect to your network. After connecting, your Fire TV Stick may take a moment to update. Once updated, you'll see a prompt to sign into your Amazon account. Enter your Amazon account email and password. If you don't have an account, follow the instructions to create one. After signing in, your Fire TV Stick will complete the setup. Choose whether you want to enable features like voice remote and device location. Follow any additional prompts to personalize your Fire TV experience. You'll now have access to the home screen of your Fire TV Stick. Browse through popular apps, movies, and shows that are available. Customize your home screen by rearranging the apps as desired. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.